instructors and my dear friends. Today we will show project report on large swing under the guidance of Mr. Rahul Mukherjee, Kumar Bose and Subhash Ajay. First of all, let's introduce my teammates.
আমার নাম সৌরভ কর্মকার। আমি দুর্গাপুর গভর্নমেন্ট আইটিআই রিটার্ন ট্রেডে দ্বিতীয় বর্ষের ছাত্র। আমার নাম পবিত্র মণ্ডল। আমি রিটার্ন ট্রেডে সেকেন্ড ইয়ারের ছাত্র।
আমার নাম সৈয়দ রিফান আলী। আমি রিটার্নের দ্বিতীয় বর্ষের ছাত্র।
আমার নাম সুপ্রিয় দাস। আমি গভর্নমেন্ট আইটিআই কলেজে রিটার্ন ট্রেডে তৃতীয় বর্ষের ছাত্র।
আমার নাম সুনীল নন্দী। আমি রিটার্ন ট্রেডে সেকেন্ড ইয়ারের ছাত্র।
আমার নাম সুভাষ সেন। আমি দুবরাজপুর গভর্নমেন্ট আইটিআই কলেজে রিটার্ন ট্রেডে সেকেন্ড ইয়ারের ছাত্র।
Let me introduce about this project. Introduction. A large swing is a simple mechanical structure designed to provide safe and smooth swinging motion. The project involves the fabrication and assembly of a strong metal frame using fitting, marking, cutting, drilling, and welding operations. This project has been developing practical skills in measurement, fabrication, assembly, and quality of control, which are essential in fitter. The large swing demonstrates the application of engineering principles, proper material selections, and safe working practices in a real-life structure.
Let's go.
Now, objective of the projects: to design and fabricate a strong and durable large swing structure, to apply fitting trades skills such as marking, cutting, drilling, grinding, and assembly, to develop practical knowledge and fabrication and structural constructions, to ensure safety, stability, and smooth operation of the swing, to gain experience in the uses of hand tool and measurement instruments, to improve impulse planning and problem solving skills during project executions, to understand the importance of accuracy and quality in engineering work.
Start.
The all material used in this project. First, materials. First, MS ground pipe. Specification 50 mm diameter and 8 feet height. Purpose structure support. Second, MS flat bar 900 into 5 mm. Purpose brackets and reinforcement. Third, MS seat. Specification 2 mm thick. Purpose seat fabrication. Fourth, material steel chain. Specification heavy duty. Purpose seat suspension. 5. Welding electrodes. Specification E6013. Purpose welding work. 6. Primer paint. Specification metal primer. Purpose rust protection. 7. Enamel paint. Specification required colors. Purpose final finishing.
Start.
Manufacturing process of large swing. First of all, material selection. Suitable wide steel pipes, flat bars, chains are selected according to the design requirement. Then marking and measuring. Dimensions are marked accurately on the material using measuring and marking tool. Third, cutting. The marked material are cut to the required size using hacksaw, cutting machine or grinder. Fourth, welding and assembly. The frame, support and seat are assembled and welded to form the complete swing structure. Fifth, grinding and finishing. Welded joints are ground smooth and sharp edges are removed. Sixth, painting, primer and enamel paint are applied to prevent rust and improve appearances. Seventh, inspections and testing. To complete the swing is checked for strength, alignment, stability and safe operation before use.
Start.
Applications of large swing. First, public park. Used in park and recreation areas for entertainment and relations. 2. Playground installed in school playgrounds and children's park for outdoor activities. Third, gardens. Used in residential garden and backyard for leisure purpose. 5. Fourth, achievements areas suitable for achievements park and recreation center. 5. Community centers installed in community hall and public gathering place. 6. Resort lodges for student presentations. 7. Outdoor presentations facility suitable for various outdoor presentations and sports complexes. Conclusions. The large scale project was successfully designed and fabricated using fitting and welding operation. The project helped in developing practical skills such as measuring, marking, cutting, drilling, grinding, and assembly. The completed swing is strong, stable, safe, and durable for outdoor use. This project provides valuable hands-on experience and improved knowledge of fabrication technique, material selection, safety practices, and quality control. It demonstrates the practical application of fitter trade skills in constructing a useful and reliable presentation